Hey, what's up you guys? I'm back at it again with another plant video because apparently that's what you guys want to see and I love making these videos, so here we are. Today's video topic is going to be propagation, but more so what you can find for propagation at your local Dollar Tree. So Dollar Trees kind of vary from Dollar Tree to Dollar Tree. I'm not going to say I'm a Dollar Tree expert, but like, you know, your girl knows her way around the Dollar Tree. I'm not gonna lie, and I'm not a propagation expert by any means, like at all. I do have two things currently propagating. Over here is my little propagation station. I just drowned this one, it's not growing. But here's my other little spider plant, which is ready to be planted. Look at these roots, you guys. Look at this. So as you guys can see, I'm just using like little containers, like a little mason jar, a little sauce container for that. But I'm gonna go to the Dollar Tree and see what we can find there that you guys can use for propagation for your plants. Now that spring, going into summer, this is the time of year that you really wanna start propagating because you got some good temperatures going on no matter where you are. I'm in the South, so pretty much all year round you can kind of do this for us because it doesn't really get too cold here. Obviously I'm in Texas. If you guys see that I'm HTX AJ, my name's AJ. HTX is Houston, Texas, so that's what I'm dealing with over here. So we're gonna walk around Dollar Tree and show you guys what we're dealing with at Dollar Tree. And let's see if we can find anything cool, because I think I even saw that they might have some like test tubes. So like that would be really cool if we see that. So let's find it. So first off, here's the like actual floral section.
Yeah, that's okay.
I'm actually gonna get this. I'm gonna go ahead and get some floral tape. Let's start looking for what we can propagate in. Okay, there you go.
Thank you.
I don't see anything. There's a lot of people here, so let's keep looking. Here's the kids section. There's plastic. I guess some plastic's okay, but some of it just seems too thin, so I don't trust it. Okay, so in the little teaching section, they have these little test tubes with the little stand in these three colors. I think these are the only colors they come in. Like this. And you can totally propagate in these. I think I definitely have to get one. Or like 4. I'm gonna get blue because blue is my favorite color. So I'll definitely show you guys, and I can also tag the Dollar Tree website and show you guys where you can get them. You can order them online in bulk too. So okay, so they also have jars that are like this that you guys can definitely use, fill them up with water and put your propagations in, and this will also work. I already have some of these at home, so I'm not going to be getting them. I'm gonna put them back. This is so cute. Okay, they also have these bottles, which I love. I have a bunch of them for zero waste needs or low waste needs. You could also use them too for flowers or any kind of propagation. It is just a lot of water and a small hole, so I don't really recommend them for propagating, but it's an option at the dollar store, and these are really good to know that they have a bunch of them here. They have blue, red, this green, and they do have clear. I usually get clear just because it's typical. Yeah. And then there's also these two, but again, a lot of water. I recommend them for other purposes, but not really for propagating, but just to let you guys know that they do have them. They also have a lot of like candle holders that you could probably use as an option if you're looking for glass. So you want something that has a smaller opening, something that you could probably lean something out of, but something that you can still get the roots out of whenever it's done, and has enough to put your water if you're going for the hydroponic method, which is what I've been doing and I showed you earlier in the video. Let's see. I feel like that's everything. I don't know if I'm gonna find anything else. I'm gonna keep going down, but I feel like that's all we can find here. Ooh, these are little fur pillows. Cute. This is really cute. So it's like a Coke can, but it's glass. This would be really cute to do something with too. A lot of people grow their plants hydroponically too. Like they just leave them there because it's aesthetically pleasing. So they have a lot of glass here. If you guys see this. So, this is really cute. You can find a lot of options. Those are cute. This is just cute in general. This is cute. I love this. It's small. It has a little quirky. I love it. I almost want it. And they do have mason jars here too. Usually have to go look for them. I'm pretty tall, so that was easy for me, but they do have mason jars. I wouldn't go the mug route or bowls. I don't think that's gonna be good for you guys. So I think that's everything we're gonna find here. We'll talk about everything when we get back to the apartment. Bye. And we're back. So we saw a lot of things at Dollar Tree that you could easily use for propagation. I did end up only walking away with 2 sets of the blue test tubes. So I'm going to be using those very, very soon. And you know it's me. I'm going to film me propagating some things. And because I'm obsessed with pothos, I don't know why I love them so much, but I just find them fascinatingly beautiful. And they're so simple, but I love them. Kind of like me, maybe? Am I simple? Do I love me? Oh my god, life realization right now. I'm thinking I might propagate some of those, but I also have like 10,000 spider plant babies on that one plant I bought in the video that I'm gonna link right up here, I think, and also in the description down below, that I think I'm going to start propagating, like the one that we saw earlier. That one just happened to fall off when I was replanting a spider plant. I was actually dividing it, and that one just kind of happened to like pop off, and so I was like, well, let's see if I can grow some roots on this thing, and that's what happened there. So if I start taking some more cuttings from spider plant, I'm probably going to end up using that system as well, but again, like I said, I'll film it. Here's Teddy again trying to make everything about himself. It is not your time, man. Get your own channel. He does have his own Instagram. He doesn't really post on there, but you know what I mean? Like, he still needs attention, guys. But if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you can follow me at HTXAJ, also on my Twitter. And if you guys want to check up with me in between uploads, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.